Bazi nje ingane zabantu ukuphila impilo yazo. Abantu abasakwazi ukuphosta nje into eziqondene nazo. Yeah, banake nazi izingane zabantu. Ngiyazikhulumela phela le ngane ngoba zizele izingane zami. Look at this. Tirelo this. Abhizi bapolishana nezingane zemizi yabantu abangazazi, abangahlangene nazo. Abantu nje caca ukuthi abana life nje bahlalela ukunaka izingane ezincane. Lezi izingane ezincane bafowethu, yini eyenza abantu babe njeni? Emhlabeni nje abantu avese bemuncu nje bakithi. Bamuncu nje abantu awazi ukuthi yini ngempela. Hayi umnini awungeke siyenze lonto we hayibo ufuna buyageza izitsha phela. Basedlile ufuna geza izitsha, ufuna geza izitsha kushintshwana. Phela senza njalo la ekhaya. Amachozi nje akhona. Bayashintshana khona obanze khona umnini. Mase ufuna abafundi uzenzele. Ingane guys mina kanti anifundisi yini. Ufuna sigeze.
So you guys, Umayeni, who is of course Tirelo's mother-in-law and Mpumelela's mother, finally decided to hop in and talk about the online hate that Tirelo and of course Uvuyokazi are receiving, and the comparison that fans are comparing them with, and of course pinning themselves against each other. Mayeni says that those two beautiful young girls, you guys just need to let them be, let them live their life instead of just comparing the two of them. Let them live their life and stop bullying them. And of course, as I went into the comment section, people were inserting Facebook and YouTube blogger Uvuyokazi, like he's saying that she is the #1 blogger to pin fans against each other, you guys. And people were saying that Uvuyokazi is the #1 influencer to make the two fight. What do you guys think? Please to engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and of course like this video and do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.